Hello students, today we are going to see 11th standard business maths chapter 1 exercise 1.4 technology matrix. First question, the technology matrix of an economic system of two industries is 0.50, 0.30, 0.41, 0.33. Test whether the system is viable as per Hawkins-Simon condition. Let us see how to find out the Hawkins-Simons condition. Hawkins-Simon condition we have to find out means two conditions are there. One is I minus B. We have to find out I minus B whether the leading diagonal are positive, that is the first condition, and the second condition is determinant of I minus B is positive. So both are positive when two conditions are satisfied, whether it is satisfy the Hawkins-Simons condition. Now we have to find out I minus B. What is I minus B? I minus B is equal to, that is identity matrix 1 0 0 1. You have to subtract by this technology matrix is given in the question. So 0.50, 0.30 and then 0.41, 0.33. Now we subtract this one, we will get 1 minus 0.50, we will get 0.50. And another one 0.0 minus 3.0, 0.30. So minus 0.30. And next one 0 minus 0.41. And here 1 minus 0.33, we will get, that is 0.67. Now let us see this leading diagonal. This leading diagonal is positive. So first condition satisfied. Let us see the next condition is determinant of I minus B. What is determinant of I minus B? That is, we have to multiply these two, cross multiplication, and minus this two other two leading diagonals. Next, first we have to multiply 0.50 into 0.67. We have to multiply these two. We will get 0.335. 0.335 minus, here minus of minus plus. So you have to multiply these two and minus this value. So we will get 0.30 into 0.41. We will get 0.123. So what is the answer for this one? Determinant of I minus B, that is 0.212. This is greater than 0, that is positive value. So how to find out the Hawkins-Simons method means, first I minus B and leading diagonal is positive and determinant of I minus B also positive. So it satisfies Hawkins-Simons condition. Hence the given system is viable. The second question, the technology matrix of an economic system of two industries 0.6, 0.9, 0.20, 0.80. Test whether the system is viable as per Hawkins-Simon condition. Let us see, this is the technology matrix of the second question. We have to find out whether this system is satisfy the Hawkins-Simons condition. First we have to find out I minus B. So that is equal to 1001 minus 0.6, 0.9 and 0.20, 0.80. Now what is the value for 1 minus 0.6 means we will get 0.4. So 0.4, 0 minus 0.9 minus 0.9 and 0 minus 0.20, 0 minus 0.20 and 1 minus 0.20 means 0.20. Now first condition satisfied, that is the leading diagonals are positive. So next condition we have to find out. What is the next condition? Determinant of I minus B. So that is equal to, if we multiply these two terms 0.4 into 0.2, we will get 0.08. 0.08. and minus, here minus of minus plus, so you have to multiply that one. 0.9 into 0.20, we will get 0.18. So that is equal to 0.08 minus 0.18, we will get minus 0.1. That is less than 0 because this is negative. Which one is greater? This one is greater. So you have to subtract these two numbers and put the greater number symbol. So minus 0.1 less than 0. So it is not satisfied the Hawkins-Simon condition because first condition satisfied but the second conditions are not satisfied. So it does not, the system is not viable. The system is not viable because first condition only satisfied, the second condition is not in positive, it is in negative. So we have to consider this system is not viable. Can you understand, students? The next question, suppose the inter-industry flow of the product of two industries are given as under. So production sector XY is given in the question, consumption sector XY, this is 30, 40, 20, 10 and this is domestic demand and total output. So domestic demand 50, 30, total output 120, 60 and new demand 80, 40. These are all given in the question. We have to find out the technology matrix according to the question. So this is A1 and this is A12, A21, A22 and this is domestic demand. Don't worry about this domestic demand because question is we have to find out the for new demand only. So that new demand is 80 and 40. Here total output is given, that is considered as X1 and X2. Now what is A1 is equal to 30, A12 is equal to 20, A21 is equal to 40, A22 is equal to 10 and X1 is equal to 120, X2 is equal to 60. Now we have to find out B11, B12, like that you have to find out. What is the formula for B11? That is B11 is equal to A11 divided by X1. So that is equal to 30 divided by 120. 30 divided by 120 is equal to 0, 0 cancel. So 1 by 4. 0, 0 cancel. Here 1 by 4. 1 by 4. And then B12. So A12 divided by X2. So what is the answer for this? That will 40 divided by 60. So that is equal to 40 divided by 60 is equal to, here 2 table 3, 2 by 3. And B21, like that you have to find out B21. What is B21? A21 by X1. A21 by X1. So that is equal to, what is A21? That is 20 divided by 120. So that is equal to 1 by 6. 20 divided by 120. So that is equal to 1 by 6. And B22. So that is equal to A22 divided by X2. So that is equal to, what is the answer for 10 by 60? So that is equal to 1 by 6. Now we have to form the B technology matrix, that is B11, B12, B21, B22. Like that you have to take the technology matrix. So according to the question, we found out what is technology matrix: 1 by 4, 2 by 3, 1 by 6 and 1 by 6. Now we have to find out I minus B. So that is equal to 1001 minus 1 by 4, 2 by 3, 1 by 6 and 1 by 6. Now we have to subtract this 2. We will get 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. 0 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. And 0 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6. And 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 1. 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. So both are positive, that leading diagonals are positive. Now we have to find out I minus determinant of I minus B. What is determinant of I minus B? So you have to multiply 3 by 4 into 5 by 6. We will get 15 by 24. Here 15 by 24 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 6, that is 2 by 18. Now we have to subtract these two and take the LCM of these two terms for the denominator. We will get 72 is the LCM. So the answer is 37 by 72, which is greater than 0. This is also positive. So the leading diagonal of I minus b also positive and determinant of I minus b also positive. So the system is viable. It satisfies Hawkins-Hyman's method. Now we have to find out the new demand for this system. The problem has a solution. It is viable means the problem has a solution. Now we have to find out the I minus b the whole inverse is equal to, what is the formula for I minus b the whole inverse? 1 by determinant of I minus b into adjoint of I minus b. So already we found out in this question, determinant of I minus b is equal to 37 divided by 72 and adjoint of I minus b is 5 by 6. That is, we changed this leading diagonal and that change the sign of this other diagonal. So 5 by 6, 2 by 3, 1 by 6, 3 by 4. If new demand is 80, 40. How to find out the solution for this question? X is equal to I minus b the whole inverse into d. So that is equal to, what is inverse of this one? 1 by, this is 37 divided by 72 into 5 by 6, 2 by 3 and 1 by 6, 3 by 4 into d. D is new demand, that is 80 and 40. So it goes into reciprocal. So 72 by 37. If we multiply this one, these two matrix, we have to product this two matrix. 5 by 6 into 80 plus 2 by 3 into 40. And another row 1 by 6 into 80 and 3 by 4 into 40. We will get the answer of 72 by 37. And 5 by 6 into 4 by, that is 5 by 6 into 80, that is 400 divided by 6 plus here 80 divided by 3, another row 1 by 80 by 6 plus for 120 divided by 4. So that is equal to 72 by 37 into, we have to multiply this one, we have to add this one, that is 400 divided by 6 plus 80 divided by 3, 80 by 6 plus 120 divided by 4. We have to take this LCM for 6 and this one for 12 and add this two and multiply and divide by this number. We will get 181.62 and another one is 84.32. This is the output of the analysis. Can you understand, students? Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next chapter in the next class. Thank you.